Hi there, and welcome to a demo of the Product Hub platform. Product Hub makes manufacturing easy. We'll be going over inventory on Product Hub. Inventory is an incredibly important part of running a business and making a product. And Product Hub makes it easier than ever to manage your inventory at the item, component, and product level. Let me show you how that works. Here is an item list. These are all the items needed to make our Treasure Model T cryptocurrency wallet. These are all the items that we've added in the Electronic Components tab, the Mechanical Components tab, as well as the Packaging and Accessories tab. This is everything we need to make a wallet. We're able to manage these at the item level by adding or subtracting any items that come in real life. So let's say, for example, that item number 3, internal part number TREB0339. Well, let's say that 200 of those just shipped to the warehouse and I need to add them to my inventory. It's as simple as a drop-down menu and adding 200. Now, your items will be updated with that information, and you'll see that this item we now have 200 of. We're also able to subtract items. Simply again, use the internal use part numbers, and we're able to subtract. This is an important feature, let's say for theft, loss, damaged goods, anything like that. Let's say out of the 200, 20 of them were actually cracked. Well, we're able to hit subtract, and the truth is we only have 180 of this item. So this is managing inventory at the item level. You're also able to search for specific components, as well as sift through the list and its multiple pages. Let's move on to the components section. We can manage inventory at the component level. That means adding specific amounts of PCBs, housing, as well as sets of packaging and accessories. So how many boxes, USB cables, and recovery cards. Now, that is to say, these are the components or the items that make up the components. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I'll show you. With the electronic category, if we choose our PCB, our printed circuit board, and let's say that we've ordered 5,000 printed circuit boards worth of components, then we would put 5,000 and we would have 5,000 items worth of PCBs, 5,000 sets of items, if you will, to make 5,000 PCBs. We can do the same for housing. For example, for housing, one set would be the top and the bottom shell. So let's say that we also purchased a few thousand sets of packaging and accessories. And let's say we had a few thousand sets of the plastic housing for the wallet as well. Now we have 5,000 PCBs worth of components. We have 4,000 top and bottom shells, and we have 4,000 fully completed products worth of packaging and accessories. Our final step is to move on to the product level. Now keep in mind, we're able to go back and see just how many of each individual item we have. Remember, for most of these items, we have 4,000 or 5,000 wallets worth of it. So that means we'll have 5,000 of this piece, 5,000 of this piece. For this one, it looks like you need 2 per wallet, so we have 10,000. You can always go back at the item level and manage them and control for things, like I said, like loss, theft, damage. You can always edit exactly how many of an item that you have. So that is managing inventory at the component level. Our final step is to manage inventory at the final product level. So, based on our component stock, we're able to create up to 4,000 Treasure Model T wallets. We're able to see that here under estimated products. Those are the ones that we would be able to create if we were to assemble them because we have the stock. So let's do that. Out of the 4,000, let's say we assemble 3,000. We would hit the create button. And from there, 3,000 of the estimated products or the components, 3,000 wallets worth of components, are now ready to ship Treasure Model T wallets. Let's say that this assembly has been going on for a while. This is your opportunity to log it. We're also able to log it at a much more granular scale. For example, every day or every week, updating Product Hubb with exactly how many products have been manufactured as well as sold. Product Hubb helps you manage sales as well as inventory within the inventory tab. For example, let's say we have 1,000 Treasure Model T wallets worth of components. We have 3,000 fully assembled Treasure Model T wallets. We can sell, let's say, 2,000 of them. Now, we have 1,000 worth of components, 1,000 still left to sell, and 2,000 wallets have left our inventory as they have been sold. This has been inventory at the items, components, and products level. Product Hubb is a tool that you can use to manage your inventory and make it easier than ever to see just exactly what's going on with your product. Thank you so much for checking out our demo of the Product Hubb platform. If you like what you saw, make sure to check out our other blogs on all the other different features that Product Hubb has. Make sure to follow us on social media. All the links are in the description below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. And remember, Product Hubb makes manufacturing easy.